Protein and carbohydrate sources play distinct roles in homemade ant baits, with proteins targeting brood and workers needing amino acids and carbohydrates, targeting foragers seeking quick energy. Proteins serve as building blocks for larval growth and for nurse ants that feed the brood, so using salty crackers or crushed dry pet food soaked in a small amount of water creates a paste that attracts ants seeking protein. Carbohydrates provide immediate energy for active foragers and are best presented as a thin honey solution or sugar water on a shallow surface so ants can drink without drowning. For best results, pair a slow-acting toxicant with these food matrices so bait is carried back to the nest and shared. If you cannot use chemicals, combine the bait with natural insecticidal powders applied sparingly around entry points while avoiding contamination of the edible bait. Observe feeding times for a few days because many species switch preferences through the day and through colony stages. Offer both bait types in separate stations and note which gets collected more. Place protein baits near kitchen grease or pet food areas where brood-fed ants forage, and place carbohydrate baits along trails and near outdoor entrances where thirsty foragers travel. Keep baits fresh, replace them every 2 to 3 days, and protect them from non-target animals and moisture to maintain attractiveness and prevent spoilage. The 3 most common mistakes are using baits that are too concentrated or too strong, which causes ants to die before they share the bait, offering only one food type when the colony needs both, and placing baits where they are inaccessible to the ants or attractive to pets. If the bait is too strong, dilute the active ingredient so ants can feed and transport it to the nest. If only one food type is offered, set out both protein and carbohydrate stations to reveal the colony preference and rotate offerings over several days. If placement is wrong, move baits along visible trails or close to where ants forage while keeping them out of reach of children and pets. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find projects that fit their skills and schedule. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical bait recipes, placement tips, and real-world observations to refine ant control strategies.